Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a bar chart in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Alright, so as you can see here we have created this nice bar chart which shows the budget of different projects we have in our company, as this is a project management sheet. So I can create a nice bar chart like this one. So let me delete this and let's start from scratch. So first what you have to do is create the data set you want to use for the bar chart. So let's say in this example we have this project and the budget column, and we want to visually show the projects with highest budget. So what we have to do is click on Insert in the menu bar, select Chart, and as you can see by default a pie chart has been applied, has been created, but we can of course change this. So right away in the chart type field we can click on the down arrow and select bar chart if we want to do a bar chart, and make sure all values can be seen on the bar chart. And as you can see, you can also make a stacked bar chart, but in this case it doesn't really make sense, so we keep it to none. And you can also change the date range, so if you have new values you can change the date range here, so the chart also shows those values as well, or those new projects as well. You can change the axes and you can change out the values here. And you can of course also customize the bar chart we have, so you can change basically anything on the bar chart, the colors, the legends and titles of the charts, and a lot more stuff. So all in all, this is how you can make a bar chart in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database, or our Google Sheets Shortcut Keys ebook for free, and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.